Welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. It's been a very busy week, a lot of baking going on. Now it's Christmas Eve and it's time to put our cookie platter together. So I am just going to start by laying down a couple of festive doilies. And I made these little spice cakes. I just have the cutest little mold for these. If you don't have anything like that, don't worry about it. You can just make little gingerbreads, whatever you like. It's all about the festivity and the presentation. So I'm just going to, let's see. I thought one of these was a church. Yes, we'll put the church in the middle. And I didn't trim the bottoms to make them steady because that's not going to matter in a second, and I'll show you why. And maybe we'll just put this one. Let's do this and this. Yeah. And now we're just going to snow on our village a little bit. Just a little. Snow on the village. That looks cute. Now, this is the fun part. It snowed a little on the roofs, but there's a lot of snow on the ground. So what I've got is shredded coconut. And we're going to lay that all around to make our platter look like it's covered in snow. I would recommend unsweetened coconut because that's a bit sticky. Now, we will just put some gingerbread folk here and there. Now, I don't have any of those candy cane meringues left because my family cleaned me out, but I did make some little peppermint meringues, so we can just dot those around. Put some sugar plums around. Now these thumbprint cookies are a big family favorite, and maybe next Christmas I will share that recipe with you. And some spritz cookies. I made little Christmas trees, and I do love these. They taste like marzipan. They're really, really delicious. A lot of butter in there. A lot of butter. And of course, you want to make sure that the cookies you're putting out are yummy, so maybe you want to do a taste test. And there is our Christmas Village Cookie Platter. You can serve it at your own home for Christmas, or this also makes a really cute gift to bring to someone else's home in the future when we're allowed to celebrate together. But you could drop this off on your neighbor's porch. Just use a disposable dish and cover it with some cellophane. Super cute. And I don't know, who wouldn't love to have this? So from my house and my village to yours, I'm wishing you all a very, very Merry Christmas. Bye.